Alright, so, little side tip, a little side notice. Welcome back to another video again. A little side notice, with this, I already did the bullet dye, but I'm going to show you how to do it with the XP. So, to start off, you're going to want to go to your upgrade menu. So, I forgot to change this actually. So, just let me change that. And that will kind of change the positioning of it. But, yeah. So, to start off, we are going to show all this XP gain stuff, or mine at least is XP gain. Then you're going to want to grab this, go to the little cursor, click on it, press Control C, or just click copy, and then you can click paste or Control V. Then you're going to want to move this to where you think it would fit. Just like there, it fits. Then try to align that. So I think that's the best I'm going to get it. That looks pretty good. So we do XP gain upgrade. Then we move the upgrade button, the counter, and we want to make sure that this all goes in the exact same spot. All this. So see how this is 79 and this is 75 or 57. We want to change that to 57. And look at the XP, it's negative 11. So change this to be negative 11. And then you're going to want to grab the upgrade. So you see how that's negative 58? This is negative 58 or negative 98, sorry. They're the exact same. So, and then you just change it from the inside. So you get rid of all this. Actually, you get rid of all that, and you make a new variable. So this one's called XP gain. So my codename is going to be XJ. And then you just put it into all the spots that originally had movement speed. And you just copy that. You just do this for both, as you see with the bullet day, because we did movement. Now we're doing we did bullet delay upgrade and XP gain. So yeah, you would just do that for all of this. And of course, you can change the XP. Like my XP is my XP right now is still on the basics, but I'm going to change my XP gain a little bit and fidget with it. You all, of course, can fidget with it. So, yeah. Alright, well, don't do that. Alright, well, I'll see you all in the video once I have all this done, and we will get working on making the upgrade buttons. So, yeah. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be going over how to create the upgrade button. You all watched the beginning already, so you all already know that. But yeah. So I'm gonna put 2 there because I've got another one I'm working on. Coming close to being finished. Not got a lot left. So oh, sorry about that. So yeah, let's get in. So to start off, we are going to first want to go into, so we're going to first want to create a new sprite. We want to call this upgrade button. We're also going to do a little bit more with some other stuff. So you all can do whatever you want, but I usually like doing oval and going here, squish this in. Do not create that as a second point. Squish this in. So squish it like that. And then you create some other points to kind of pull it out to make it look a little bit better. So now you can kind of sim. Now it looks a little bit better. So now we're going into text. We're going to want to make this text, depending on what color you did that, I'm actually going to change mine to be that exact same blue. So we're going to go here to find out what blue I used. So 59, 100, 100. Wait, I need to make sure this says upgrade button. I swear I did that. Button. So we're going to want to change it to be that. So that was a 59. And we want the text to be black. And you guys can make it say whatever you want to say. But I'm going to do upgrade. Then you're going to want to drag your circle slash whatever you made to the center, and then your upgrade to the center. So you all can put it wherever. I usually either put it up here in the top corner, or sometimes I'll put it down here. For this tutorial, we're going to put it down here because I've got a certain system that we're going to use. So next, we want to go into code, and we're going to do when clicked. So when this spray is clicked, then we're going to do if. I'm going to need an if else. If XP equals, and for example, our lowest upgrade is 10. Now you guys don't need to add this, but this is kind of some polish. So if XP equals 10, or what you all can do is, this is a little bit more advanced, which is what I'm going to do. You all can grab or variables, and you all can do different variables for the certain stuff. So 25, you would actually put that on the outside of that or variable. I do not know why I put it on the inside. My brain had a little oopsie doosies. So 10 or 25. We actually don't even need two ors. We only need 10 or 25. Then broadcast. We're not going to want to broadcast reset. We're going to want to broadcast upgrade menu open, or upgrade underscore menu open. Else broadcast, and then this is kind of polish, not underscore able to open. So then we are going to we'll make a new variable or new sprite. Oh, that is not what I wanted. So only click random. So paint. This is going to be called the exact same thing we just named that. Is going to be called the exact same thing that we just named that broadcast. So now we're going to want to make a thing that says not able to upgrade. We're gonna want to make that be tiny, really tiny. It's not that tiny, but this is good. And then change the color to be red. And then center up. So we're gonna want to put this right here. And this is going to pretty much just be hidden. Now, for this one to work, we are going to want to do when I receive not underscore able to open. We're going to want to grab two of these actually. Then we're going to want to grab a show, a hide, and this is really where it comes in for polish. You are going to want to go into some you're going to want to go into you want to grab weights. So for this one we're going to do 0.2. So now if you look, if I hide this and I do, so we can also actually just change this to be 0.1. So this does that. Now what we can do is we can duplicate this with a extra weight 0.1 on the end. So now if we do that, you can see if I click, see it says not able to upgrade. Now we can make there be a sound. So for this, I'm going to do like I don't even know what sound I'm going to do. So we're going to do probably a so yeah. Nah, 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 nah. Okay, so that's good. Not underscore able to open sound. So now we're going to want to play sound until done. Nah, nah. So we're going to want to get rid of some of that. Nah, nah. Wait, I actually got rid of a hide. This needs to, because this needs to get at the end. Nah, nah. Nah, nah.
Use your other ability.
Nah, nah,
You're not using
nah,
superhuman?
nah,
I am. So you
nah, nah,
or no, wait. Try jumping up. Try jumping up.
nah, nah.
Not working.
So now I gotta figure out why it's turning yellow.
Yeah, we're not going to defeat this guy. Because there's no way I can single-handed.
Nah, nah.
Not like I can't either. You jumped in. Wait, no, I actually have a chance because I'm doing good damage with my move.
Oh, should we do 0.05? So this is really where the polish comes in. This is the part that's going to take the longest time, depending on how long you made your sound effect last. So now, try this again. Nah. So maybe we try 0.09. And we see how that works. Because it's just about 1 second.
I'm sorry, Brownie, I gotta do this to you. No, dude, trust me, dude, it's a stronger cupcake. Wait, this is his father. Yeah, this is Cupcake's father.
Nah.
And you know we show no mercy to any of Cupcake's family. We do not leave any cupcakes people allowed. Oh, someone's here to help.
Nah.
And they're not, and they're oh wait, they're ice. Oh, I forgot.
So you just keep duplicating those four.
Ow, they're killing me!
Nah.
No,
That's probably the best we're gonna get. But we can try
got me killed by the
putting an extra
TV.
one up here.
They got me killed by the TV.
Nah.
And I'm all the way at
Perfect.
cold.
So so now that we've done that,
Wait, no, don't kill him.
hold up. So yeah. But now we can change our XP by 20.
Oh my gosh, me too.
Or, we don't even have to do that. We can do it with XP. So, of course, 10 is the minimum. That's going to take a lot more time. So I'll show you all how to do it the easy way and how to do it the hard way. Hard way might be a different tutorial. Because this requires us to do 2 OR variables and put it something similar to this. So actually, this won't take very long. And this will really polish this.
Wait, wrong boat. Oh, yeah, that's not possible. Oh, I stuck him under it. No, that's bro. Okay, then you can go. I drove the last one. You can drive this one. That's bro.
And you do OR. You put these both into this OR statement. So now this menu opens.
Tell him. Meet me at hot and cold. Hot and cold?
So now we have a menu that works.
He doesn't know English.
So now that we have that, yeah. So I think that'll be the end of this video. This one was a short one. I know. I do know. But I hope that y'all enjoyed. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Adios.